I didn't expect to be this big though. Like, oh my god, so
I have been gone so long, for so long, so long. Moonlight on the lawn, and your hand-me-down car feels so far, feels so far away.
hi guys, it's Sarah here. Okay, so my impression on this makeup eraser by Lavish. Look at that. This is the amount of makeup that I have removed from my face, from my skin, and you can see that I didn't use that much of effort. So I just add on water and just clean it in a circular motion, and you can see like everything comes out. And one thing that I need to tell y'all about face paint, right? So face paint is harder to remove than normal makeup. So I'm quite impressed with this makeup eraser because like it can easily be removed. And let me just remove my falsies and just see how it removes the eyeshadow part. Oh, look at that. So look at that, you can see the difference from before and after. So thank you so much Lavish for sending me this product. If you all are interested to get them, please do check out on their Instagram page. So thank you so much Lavish for sending me this makeup